There was something like 190 more bikes waiting to start.
Give me a beer, man.
They were due to go off 10 at a time, every 2 minutes.
Here you go, buddy. God
Shit.
damn it, what day is it? Saturday?
More like Sunday.
Hello, anyone? You seen the race?
By 10, they were spread out all over the course. It was no longer a race. Now it was an endurance contest. The idea of trying to cover this race in any conventional press sense was absurd.
Hey! It's pretty great! What? Come on in! I'm just gonna try different combinations of lenses and film until I find something that works in this dust! What the fuck? That's fucking machine guns, man. They're firing at us. Machine gun! That goddamn war zone, man! Get us out of here, quick! Quick, man! Quick, we're gonna be killed, for fuck's sake! What the... Oh, no. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Where's the damn race? Beats me, man. We're just good patriotic Americans like yourself.
What outfit you fellas with?
Oh, the sporting press. We're friendlies. Hired geeks. Yeah.
Let's go.
Good luck, gentlemen. Hey! Get him! Freaks. Take me back to the pits.
No! We have to go on. We need total coverage!
It was time, I felt, for an agonizing reappraisal of the whole scene.
You're fired. Awful jackass.
All right.
No, drive into the dust! That's it!
I never want to see you again.
I gotta take vengeance! Just drive into the dust!
Huh? Oh.
The race was definitely underway. I had witnessed the start. I was sure of that much. But what now? What comes next?